Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to turn off traction control on a Toyota 4Runner. Locate the Track OFF button on the dash, press and hold it for about 2 seconds until the Track OFF indicator illuminates. If the light flashes or returns, consult the owner's manual or check for fault codes with a scanner before driving. Re-enable traction control by pressing the same button again or by restarting the vehicle. Turning off traction control can help in soft surfaces like deep sand or mud where wheel spin frees the vehicle. Only disable track when you understand the traction trade-offs and have a clear recovery plan. Avoid disabling on regular roads, in wet conditions, or with unfamiliar drivers in the vehicle. Always assess terrain, keep low speeds, and be ready to re-enable traction control when conditions improve. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is perfect for off-road adventures, stays leak-proof, and fits most cup holders, so you can stay hydrated on long drives. I link it and other deals in the description below for easy access. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Safety matters when you turn off traction control, so inspect warning lights and system status first. If the track light behaves oddly, use an OBDI scanner to read codes or seek professional help before continuing. Practice off-road techniques and keep seat belts fastened while driving with track disabled. Remember that stability systems reduce rollover and loss of control risks, so re-enable traction control whenever normal traction is needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.